Hey, Rose.
Hi.
Guess what I have?
What?
I have a new toy from YoWow. Our friends over at YoWow sent us a new toy.
Wow, that's cool.
Let's go open it. Here, why don't you take it inside and we'll go open it. I have no idea what it is. All right. Yeah, why don't you go ahead and pull that off? Can you get it?
No.
There you go. All right. Rose is really excited. She's ripping this box up. It's just a protective layer that goes around the box. And then, ooh, it's a fancy little box. And here is the instructions for our box. And it looks like it's a little construction set with a drill and everything. Awesome. What do you think, Rose?
Cool.
Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. So here, let's show everybody how the little box comes. All right, it's like a little toolbox. Then we pop it open. And look what's inside. We have a little drill. Look at your little drill.
And wrench.
All right, and a wrench. What else is in there? Some brackets? Oh, cool.
Look.
Oh, we've got bolts. Some long bolts. We've got short bolts.
Marble.
Oh, we've got nuts. Awesome. And we've got all kinds of other different brackets and stuff.
Look, and a wrench.
Awesome. So it looks like, Rose, what you do is you use the case itself to actually put stuff in.
Wow.
Yeah. And then you can use the case as a storage case. That is really cool. So let's put that down. How about we look at the instructions, and it comes with a screwdriver, a wrench, and you go up for unscrew, you go down for tighten.
I like this place that's urban.
Yeah, this is pretty cool, huh? And it looks like it takes 2 AA batteries, so we don't have any AA batteries in it right now. But look, here's all the different things you can use the bolts to make.
Wow.
Yeah, these are
cool.
some suggestions of what you make with the bolts and the buttons and the screws. And then we can flip it over. And here's some more. Oh, wow, look at what they made there, Rose.
Wow.
We'll have to make one of those. Oh, look, and you can make horses and trains and all kinds of cool stuff.
And even a robot play.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. So, Rose, we will open this stuff up later and we'll play with it, and then we'll give a nice review of what we think about it. But so far, it looks pretty cool to me. What do you think?
Cool.
Awesome. So, as far as the unboxing goes, for looks, appearance, and feel, do you give it a thumbs up? All right, thumbs up. Rose gives it a thumbs up so far. We will do a full review on this and play with it later. But as for now, the unboxing, it looks pretty cool. So Rose gives it a thumbs up, and we'll give you that new video later. So Rose, why don't you tell the people bye for now?